First, the news headlines. Lok Sabha elections from April 19 in 7 phases. Counting of votes to be held on June 4. Manipur Inner Parliamentary Constituency goes to poll on April 19th. October Outer on April 26. AICC finalizes INC candidates for Manipur. 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐵 for Inner Parliamentary Constituency, Alfred Arthur for Outer Parliamentary Constituency. And Chief Minister N. Biren flags off media team on external tour to Andaman Island. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐿 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Chief Election Commissioner 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 today announced that the 2024 general elections for 543 Lok Sabha seats will be held in 7 phases from April 19th, while the results will be announced on June 4th. Manipur Inner Parliamentary Constituency will go to poll on April 19th, while the Outer Parliamentary Constituency on April 26th. Simultaneous elections for Lok Sabha and Assembly will be held in 4 states: Sikkim, Odisha, Arunachal Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. By-elections will also be held for 26 assembly seats across multiple states, including Bihar, Gujarat, Haryana, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. With the announcement of the poll dates, the model code of conduct has come into effect. The first phase is scheduled for 19th April, followed by the second phase on 26th April, the third phase on 7th May, the fourth phase on 13th May, the fifth phase on 20th May, and the sixth phase on 25th May, and this final 7th phase on 1st of June. The counting of votes will be taking place on 4th June. In addition to the Lok Sabha elections, the assembly elections in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha will be held on 13th May, while those in Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim are scheduled for 19th April. Announcing the date, the Chief Election Commissioner warned about fake news on social media, saying political parties should ensure responsible for social media behavior. Fake news will be dealt with severely as per existent law. Section 79(3)(b) of the IT Act empowers nodal officers in each state to remove unlawful content, he said. The other strong message was on violations of model code in terms of hate speeches. He said there should be issue-based campaign, no hate speeches, no speeches along caste or religious lines. No criticism of anyone's personal lives. The media must clarify when they carry political advertisements, those cannot masquerade as news, he said. Individual messages regarding this would be sent to the candidates, he added. 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 further informed the Commission has employed 2,100 advisors to keep an eye on these issues and strong actions will be taken regarding this. Voters above the age of 85 years and persons with disabilities with 40% disability can vote from home, 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 said, adding that around 82 lakh voters are above the age of 85. After the Northeast Window newtv broke the news on Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC's recommendations of Dr. 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐵 and Alfred A.S. Arthur as candidates of Indian National Congress INC for Inner and Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituencies respectively in the ensuing Lok Sabha elections to All India Congress Committee AICC on the 12th of this month, the AICC has finalized the duo as INC candidates today. According to reports culled from AICC sources by newtv, 𝐵𝐬𝐸 and Alfred Arthur has been finalized as candidates for the 2 Lok Sabha seats and their names will likely be announced soon. In a telephonic conversations with newtv yesterday, Chairman of Screening Committee of some states including Manipur, Rana KP Singh told that the list of candidates will be announced on Tuesday. However, with the announcement of poll dates by Election Commission of India, the AICC will likely announce the third list of candidates in 212 days. It may be mentioned, newtv in our break news on March had reported that MPSC has recommended 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 and Alfred Arthur as Manipur candidates in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections to AICC. However, later the same day, the MPSC president told other media houses that some other personalities besides 𝐍𝐸𝐞𝐰𝐬 had been recommended for Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency to AICC. Chief Minister N. Biren flagged off a bus carrying a team of media persons on an external tour to Andaman Island from the Chief Minister's bungalow today. The Chief Minister wished the team a successful and safe trip. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren stressed the role of media persons in highlighting and cheating awareness of the people about Mount Manipur, previously known as Mount Harriet, which has significantly connections with the history of Manipur. He also asked the media persons to explore Mount Manipur, where the brave freedom fighters of Manipur were exiled by the British. It may be mentioned, Union Home Minister Amit Shah renamed Mount Harriet as Mount Manipur as a tribute to the freedom fighters of Manipur on October 17, 2021.
Just immediately after the recognition of Mount Harriet is Mount Manipur. I think this kind of route might be the first one. Honorable Union Prime Minister Modi ji, Union Home Minister Andaman Nicobar Manipuri Wishing we lay from Moibu Kargas Mount Harriet Manipur historical background Manipur Maharajas Manipur warriors sacrifice Mount Harriet Mount Manipur and one Okiba. I feel proud and I decide to eat Mount Manipur Urkanda, Yanganda, Adumba, recognition, respect of historically, Mapama Tamiliba, Prime Minister, Indian Home Minister, President of
Altogether, 30 media persons, including DIPR officials, are part of the team for the tour organized by the All Manipur Working Journalists Union. During the tour, the team will witness a light and sound exhibition at Cellular Jail, visit Mount Manipur National Park, at Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Wendor, Jolly Boa Island, Limestone Cave, Barathang Island, Rose and Smith Island, among others. The flagging off event was also attended by MLA T.H. Shyam Kumar, MLA Sapam Kunjukeswar, MLA Kongkham Robindro, IPR Commissioner M. Joy, DIPR Director Dr. T.H. Charanjit, among others. The state government has appointed retired IAS S.K. Dave Verman as the chairman of the Manipur Public Service Commission, MPSC. An order issued by Chief Secretary of Manipur Vinit Joshi yesterday said, D.V. Verman has been appointed as the chairman of MPSC under Article 316 of the Constitution of India from the date on which he enters his office or until he attains the age of 62, whichever is earlier. The new chairman of MPSC's pay and allowances and other conditions of service will be governed by the MPSC regulations 1972 as amended from time to time, it stated. Let us take a quick break.
Welcome you all to UNLF School Channel, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko nung himubasing thamagi manungda control to ngamlay. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hanthaba ngamlay. Kung hamanungay tabasu numit mga nagi manungda fahanba ngamlay. Piles sabadi nung samnabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamlay. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamlay. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamlay. Fatty liver oibasu thamagi manungda fagadhanba ngamlay. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makalna layon jabani. Hagchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathausu tararoy. Hena kupaparogidamak ngasimak langsing birao Diabetes Hospital Sorbam Laikai Ayangkali Road opposite 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞 Jennings Hospital, Porompat, Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Laikai Apunba Merapai Looped today staged a sit-in protest against the recent arrest of 3 UNLF cadres by NIA in front of the office of Burma Road Sport Association at 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Laikai today. Speaking to media persons, Yambem Ongbi Santibla urged the government for immediate and unconditional release of the arrested cadres. Various placards against the arrest were displayed during the protest demonstration.
State government amadi central government aniga yamna tuna atuba matamda gyan taminaraga makhoi ko atuba da thadu piru haibagi da bakta koina hazin kiba se yaningde haibagi akhoi 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 Laikai gi apunba maira gi luk asina kasi sumaina dhanna phamaga yaningde haibasi uchabagi.
Peaceful protest march were taken out in several places of Yaripok last night against the arrest of 3 cadres of Pambay-led UNLF by the National Investigation Agency. Spearheaded by the Yaripok Apunba Mera Loopt and Nongpok Sayang Apunba Loopt, the protest demanded the unconditional release of the arrested cadres. Speaking to media persons, a Merapai leader stated that the government of India, the state government and Pambay-led UNLF has signed a ceasefire agreement last November. Registering her protest over the arrest, she further warned of intense agitations if the arrested cadres are not released at the earliest. It may be mentioned that on the 13th of this month, NIA arrested the 3 cadres of UNLF, namely Chief of Army 𝐻𝐸𝐯 alias 𝐶𝐵, Head of Intelligence 𝐿𝐸𝐬 Anand Sarma alias 𝐸𝐸𝐵, and Ibomcha alias Landaba. They were taken to Delhi on a special flight the same evening. A special NIA court granted custodial remand of the cadres till 23rd of March. Assam Rifles, under the aegis of Headquarters Inspector General Assam Rifles South, yesterday foiled illegal timber smuggling. A statement from the Assam Rifles said the smuggling was foiled when vigilant troops of the Assam Rifles established mobile vehicle checked posts in the general area, Wangku Junctions and Mongsang Punt of Chandel district. The troops intercepted 6 vehicles carrying timber logs along with 10 individuals. The captured vehicles along with the timber and the individuals were handed over to District Forest Officer Chandel for further investigations, the report added. Situation in the state was under control during the last 24 hours between March 14 and 15 as per a report from Manipur Police Control Room. The report said search operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hills and valley districts. Movement of 178 and 202 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 136 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and police detained 310 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state, the report said. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Lok Sabha elections from April 19 in 7 phases. Counting of votes to be held on June 4. Manipur Inner Parliamentary Constituency goes to poll on April 19, Outer on April 26. AICC finalizes INC candidates from Manipur. 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐿𝐴 for Inner Parliamentary Constituency, Alfred Arthur for Outer Parliamentary Constituency. And Chief Minister N. Biren flex off media team on external tour to Andaman Island. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.
Kaina Thoram, Urvasramda, 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 Punnamappu, Naukun Biramba, Sri 𝐍𝐶𝐞𝐰𝐬 Ngombamna, Mahaki Nungsi Jaraba, Imung Manu, Sagainate, Amadi, Marumapang Khwai Punnamappu, Thadok Lamlaga, Haukiba Tang Taruk, Lisangani Kunmari, Firengi Kunmangani Kuntaruni Panba, Yumsakai Sinimita, Vrindavan Prapti Oikre, Lakliba Tang Taramathoi, Lisangani Kunmari, Ningthokaba Nimita, Asti Sanjay Lokat Jaraga, Lakliba Tang Taramapan, Leibapok Panumita, Chira Usop Din Thokley, Numit Asida, Laikirabagi Atmana, in the China Laser Nabagitamakta, Ngamzaba Haira Karadang, Hari Sankritan Galunina, Sri Harigi Charinda, Kachagadori, Palakshya Asida, Brahman Vaishnav, Ahilaman Amadi, Marumapang Khwai Punnamagna, Matam Chana Lingviraktuna, Harinam Shravan Toviranaba, Patrana Limantran Kachari, Vinitgan, Ningombam Subadani Devi, Mama, Ningombam Ombi, Maya Konjengbam, Sadarmini, Ningombam Rajendro Singh, Makura, Ningombam Ningo, Sophia Sanatombi, Machanabi, Oinam Suranjoy, Masenupa, Ningombam Ombi, Priya Devi, Manau Nupi, Marcus Ningombam, Machanupa, Thaing Sana Avi Ningombam, Machanupi, Humlengamba Abo Ningombam, Machanupa, Mafam, Okram Chutek, Kitna.